Hello children, welcome back to our social class. So today we are going to learn a new chapter in political science. Okay, so it is your seventh chapter and the name of the chapter is Urban Administration. So in the previous chapter you learned about rural administration. So what is rural? It is villages. Okay, so urban administration you are going to learn about the system of administration in cities. Okay, so here a city is much bigger than a village and more spread out, isn't it? And a city has crowded markets, many buses, cars, water and electricity facility, traffic control and hospital. Okay, so all these are the difference between a city and a village. All the facilities will be available in a city but not in a village. Okay, so we are going to learn in this lesson who is responsible for running all this and who are able to make decisions here. Okay, so shall we start? So in the beginning they have given you a story. So let's read it fast. One lazy Sunday afternoon, Mala and her friends Shankar, Jahangir and Ruhana were playing a game of cricket in the street. Okay. Shankar had bowled a good over and although he nearly managed to get Ruhana out, she was still batting. Frustrated, he bowled a short ball and hoped she would hit it for an easy catch. Instead, Rihanna hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Rihanna screamed, "Oh no, look what I have done." Shankar said, "Yes, we forgot to make a rule that if you break the street light, you are automatically out." Okay, did you understand? So they started playing and the ball went and hit the street light and it was broken. But Mala and Jahangir and Ruhana were more worried about what had happened and they told Shankar he would better stop thinking about the wicket. Last week they had broken Nirmala Mausi's window and had spent their pocket money to have replaced it. So they have to give their pocket money and replace. So but now they don't know to whom they have to pay because whom the street lights belong, who changed them. Rihana's house was the closest. And what did they do? They went to the mother and asked her, told her they have done a mistake like this. And then her mother said that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing light. Okay, so the best person to ask would be Yasim Khala. She just retired from the municipal corporation. Okay, so who will be replacing this? The municipal corporation. So they went to Yasmin Kala. She lived in the same lane and she and Ruhana's mother were good friends. The children ran to Kala's home and when she stopped the door, they began to tell her what had happened. Okay. So when they asked about the street light, Yasmin Kala laughed and said, "There is no one person that you can pay the money to. So there is nobody you can pay the money to. It is a big organization which is called the Municipal Corporation, which takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean." Okay. So what is the responsibility of this municipal corporation? Taking care of street lights, underline it children, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and the market clean. Okay. So I have heard about the municipal corporation. They have put up signs around the city to inform people about malaria. Okay, so Mala said they are also putting up signs related to malaria. Yes, you are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that diseases do not spread. Okay, apart from all the above functions, they are also responsible for removing the spread of diseases. Okay. And what are the other things? It also runs schools, hospital and dispensary. Underline it. It also runs schools, hospitals and dispensaries and makes gardens and maintains them. Okay, said Yasmin Kala. Then she added, our city Pune is a big city and so here it is called a municipal corporation. Okay, so they live in Pune and it is a big city. So it is called municipal corporation. In smaller towns it is called municipal council. Okay, so it is very important. What is municipal corporation? In big cities, okay, the administration is called municipal corporation, and in smaller towns it is called municipal council. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, children.